Really, Daddy.
It's finally here, guys. I'm teaching right now, but software version 10 finally appeared on my phone finally. So Tesla finally did something right when it comes to version 10 for my car. I have to go play hockey, but I think I'm not gonna go to bed too early today. I might be playing with some stuff. So sorry for my students tomorrow. All right, guys, let's see if the update actually works. So while we were playing, we were updating to version 10. Moment of truth. Woohoo, it's looking good. All right, guys, so I got to play with version 10 quite a bit. And obviously, Netflix is awesome, YouTube is awesome. Having that in the car. Karaoke is also fun, just a little bit disappointing that it's covers. So it's not the actual artist singing the songs. This was a longer process than I expected because version 10 obviously rolled out weeks ago. And on day 2 that it was released here in Canada, I was able to start downloading the update. However, once it reached 100%, as some of you know, it just stops. And it wouldn't actually install it on my car. So I tackled the issue on 3 fronts. I set up a mobile service to my house. Unfortunately, that did not fix the problem. He was not able to fix the problem. On the same day, I also emailed Tesla saying version 10 would not actually update because it just freezes at 100%. So I explained the situation via email. And then I also used live chat. Now live chat also failed me. They just said, hey, we're gonna send an email to your mobile service team and they'll be in contact with you, which actually never happened. So the mobile service failed, the live chat failed. However, that email I sent on the first day, eventually that was the key. Somebody at Tesla over there said, oh yeah, we see that it got stuck, the Wi-Fi wasn't strong enough. So all this being said, they did something out of the blue somewhere in probably San Francisco, I guess, in their little beautiful computers connected to my car, and voila, a few hours later the download actually downloaded and installed successfully, as you guys saw. So one of obviously the big features that I wanted to test out, this is the first time I'm actually testing it out. I'm gonna actually summon my car that's parked over there. Now I did pick a very empty parking lot just because it's my first time doing it and I just want to make sure that nothing bad happens. But we'll try to get the car to actually come to me right now. So let's give this a shot, shall we? And there he goes. Signal's on. Give this another shot. Now, before we actually do that, don't forget to hit that like button, smash it if you like the video. Again, hit that subscribe button, it really helps us out and we really appreciate it. So I've been working on a big video that will be released in a few days now that's going to be talking about all the things you should know about Tesla Model 3, and hopefully that helps out the potential buyers, also the new buyers, as well as anybody that's kind of just curious about Tesla Model 3. So expect that in the next few days. So let's go ahead and try Smart Summon again. And again, we're in an empty parking lot. I'm gonna, again, test this out in more public parking lots later on. But right now I just want to start off with an empty parking lot just to be safe. So it's even telling me on my phone how fast the car is going. It's also telling me the direction it's going to take to come to me. So it looks like it's going to go straight here around the curb and then wrap around. Alright, so here it is. It's taking a longer route than I expected. It doesn't want to cross the yellow lanes apparently. And there you have it, the car's right next to me now. So again, imagine this, you know, when it's raining outside and you can just summon your car to you. I think it's just kind of shows where the car is at when it comes to autonomy. And the fact that, yeah, it's just a matter of time before this thing actually drives completely by itself. Alright guys, that's it for this little update episode, but don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button. We really appreciate it. And we'll see you in the next episode. Alright guys, let me know if you can figure out the movie I'm actually watching at the start of this video. Put it in the comments below, and I'll just give you some good props for it. So, just curious to know if somebody can figure it out. Alright, we'll see you in the next episode, guys.